Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find up under your spotlight.
Hello my passionate loves, my name is Amy of Amy's Passion Diary and welcome upon YouTube channel. So for today's video, as you can see on my light box behind me, it's the LGBT Pride Month. So I'm gonna come up with something really colorful for this makeup look to actually celebrate the LGBT Pride Month. And LGBT stands for, as you probably all know, it's lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender Pride Month. So we celebrated actually Pride Month every year on the whole month of June. So we celebrated Pride Month in honor to the 1969 Stonewall riots in Manhattan in the United States. So, and also, if you could probably all remember what happened to Orlando, Florida, back in June of 2016. It has been 2 years ago. The gunshot, the terrorist thing happened at the gay club in Paul's, the club called Paul's, and yeah, that's definitely very shocking news. What happened there, it's definitely not acceptable. So what happened in the Paul's nightclub, it kind of reminds us that, you know, the LGBT community is not totally accepted yet. And in this video, I actually collab with a bunch of Filipinas. I honestly don't know yet who they are, but you're going to see like in the intro who they are, because we couldn't really finalize who are joining and not. But I just wanted to mention it para alam nyo rin, nagtagalog ako, para alam nyo rin who are the people is joining this collab. And this is very exciting because we're going to play with a bunch of colors. And for that, I'm going to stick perhaps with the More P35B palette. I'm not sure yet what kind of makeup I'm gonna come up with. Of course, I know that's gonna be colorful, pero hindi ko pa alam kung anong klaseng makeup. I didn't plan anything. I'm just gonna go with the flow and see what's gonna happen. Let's move on to the makeup tutorial. I already did my brush. You all can see I applied my foundation and contour my face as well. And I did put some blush on. Alright, so makeup tutorial na to, marami tayong gagamitin na brush. Promise, kasi colorful nga. So, marami tayong madadamage na brush. So, i-ready nyo na mga brush nyo. But, mag-start na tayo. Ang gusto kong kunin is itong color na to. Itong shimmery green na ito. And then, i-apply natin siya sa inner corner. So, ang next color na ilalagay ko dito sa outer corner is yung itong shimmery na blue color na ito. Ang ganda-ganda niya tignan. So, ilalagay natin siya dito sa part na wala pang color. So, kuha lang ko ng ganitong flat brush. Tapos, yung katulad na ginamit ko rin dito sa green color.
I'm dreaming, what we dreaming, are we dreaming, what we dreaming, are we dreaming.
Okay, now na mukha ng tsaka ang ating makeup. Mag-blend na tayo. So, makita na ng color sa crease area. And for me, mag-mix ako ng dalawang color. Kasi itong pink na to is masyadong bright. It's more like magenta nga. Tapos ito, medyo may pagka light purple. I-mix ko itong dalawang color. Tapos yun yung apply natin sa crease area. Kuha lang kayo ng blending brush. Kung anong meron kayo dyan. Basta ganito, may blending brush kayo. And then, i-dip nyo lang doon and then apply natin. So, take your time blending kasi baka tsaka yung kalabasan. So, ang key dito sa makeup look natin is obviously blending. If tamad kayo mag-blend, then this makeup tutorial is not for you. Kasi kailangan dito is mag-blend talaga ng bongga.
Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
Okay, mga friends, mga loves, mga beshi, kapag happy na kayo sa how it looks sa crease nyo, and we're gonna move on to the next color na. Kasi as you can see, medyo harsh yung purple color. So, i-blend pa natin siya ng bongga. So, ang kukunin kong color is this color right here. It's kind of like peachy color. So, ito yung i-apply natin a little bit above dun sa purple para lang ma-blend, ma-soft yung edges niya. So, yun yung case sa, kapag ka nag-define kayo ng crease, kailangan i-blend nyo pa siya ng bongga para seamless yung color niya kahit pa paano. So, ayun. So, kuha kayo ulit ng clean na blending brush. Tapos, i-dip nyo dun sa color na yun and then mag-blend tayo ulit. Okay, kapag happy na kayo sa blending nyo and sa color payoff ng mga eyeshadows na nilagay nyo, magpo-proceed na tayo sa eyeliner. Gusto ko kasi mag-eyeliner. Gusto ko mag-wing liner. So, gagawin ko siya. Ang gagamitin ko yung NYC na high definition liquid eyeliner na black. Naglagay ako ng contact lenses. Kapag masaya na kayo sa eyeliner ninyo, magmumove na tayo sa lower lash line. So, ang unang color na gagamitin natin is yung, gusto ko yung purple eh. Gamitin natin itong purple na ito para masaya. Dito sa, dito sa my outer part. Na-apply ko na yung purple, tapos kunin naman natin yung orange. Ayan. Tapos ilalagay natin siya sa may gitna. Sa inner portion, yung area na wala pang color, ang gagamitin natin is yung shimmery na yellow. Ayan. I-mix natin silang dalawa. Let's see what's gonna happen. Kasi yung isa is sobrang shimmery, tapos ito naman napaka-bright na yellow. Mix natin siya. So, tingnan natin kung maganda ang resulta. Sana maganda kasi wala nang turning back. So, we're gonna go all out. So, maglalagay tayo dito sa inner tear duct. Dito sa inner tear duct nga ang kulit. Maglalagay tayo ng shimmery na eyeshadow. And, gusto kong i-try itong color na ito. Itong shimmery pink na, light pink na ito. So, ilalagay natin siya dito. Just look how I do it. Kasi, parang, gusto ko may shimmer eh. So, kuha lang kayo ng pencil brush tulad nito and then apply it. Para nagmamatch ng konti sa crease area. The only difference is that napaka-shimmery niya. Which I love. Okay, so, hindi ko alam if anong color gagamitin ko sa tight line. But I decided actually na gumamit nitong Giordano na retractable pencil. Na ang color is sterling blue. Ilalagay ko siya sa waterline. If you don't want, you don't need to. Lagyan siya kung anong gusto nyong color, kung black or yellow, kung saan kayo masaya. But ito yung pinili ko kasi para ma-emphasize naman much more yung blue pa. Kasi nandito lang siya sa corner. So, ayan. Masaya na ako sa outcome ng aking eye makeup and everything. So, mag-curl na ako ng lashes and mag-apply ako ng mascara. Ang gagamitin ko is yung Essence Lash Princess na volumizing mascara. Siya yung, etong may peachy color, bright peach color. Pagka neon siya. Okay, so tapos na ating mascara. Mag-apply ako ng lashes. So, itong lash na to, hindi ko alam kung anong brand siya kasi nandito lang siya sa my table ko and marami akong lashes dito sa table ko na ginamit ko na gagamitin ko ulit. So, wala na siya sa lagay niya. So, hindi ko alam kung anong lashes siya. But ito ang gagamitin ko.
I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, we're dreaming, we're dreaming.
Okay mga beshi, so tapos na tayo with almost everything. Isa-set na lang natin yung face natin using some Fix Plus. But before that, mag-apply ako ng highlighter. Ang gagamitin ko this time is yung Anastasia Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. I'm gonna mix 3 colors. Lagi ko siyang ginagawa, 3 colors. So, I mix this one, and this one. Kanya-kanyang trip yan. So, mix ko yung 3 color, tapos yun yung highlight ko. So, gumamit lang kayo ng ganitong brush. This is the Morphe 501 brush. One of my favorite. Meron ako Anastasia na, na highlighter brush, pero madumi kasi siya eh. Hindi ko pa siya nalalaban. Lalaban talaga! Hindi ko pa siya napapaliguan, kaya ito muna ang gamitin natin. But yun yung favorite ko na highlighter brush of all time. Maganda rin siyang alternative para sa Anastasia na highlighter brush kasi may pagkamahalin yun eh, 29 euro. That was a gift of my boyfriend. I think it was Valentine's Day nang gift niya sa akin or Christmas, hindi ko matandaan. Malyani po ta. But, so, ayan na siya. Okay, so iset nyo na yung makeup nyo. Ang gagamitin ko yung MAC Fix Plus. As you can see, paubos na siya. I need a new one. But, ito yung gagamitin ko kasi ito yung favorite ko. Napaka-dry ng skin ko. Hindi mo sobrang dry. Kasi summer, so medyo nag-normal siya ng konti. Pero may pagka-dry pa rin siya, lalo na dito yung face ko dito. Face ko dito, yung part dito ng face ko, putang. Mali-mali Tagalog. Okay, so mag-apply tayo ng lip shade, ng lip color lip shade. Ang gagamitin ko is itong, bahala kayo kung anong gusto nyo yung color. Pwede kayo gumamit ng nude, kung yun ang trip nyo, mag-red kayo kung gusto nyo, or mag-pink, kung anong trip nyo. But ang gagamitin ko is ito. Ito yung Dior ko na Dior Addict Fluid Stick in the shade, ano ba ito? Rose. Makikita nyo siya sa screen. Mahirap siya pronounce, hindi ako French. So, ayun, ito ang gagamitin kong color. May pagka-pinkish siya. Matagal na ito eh, mga ilang taon na ito? 5 years. But ito gusto kong gamitin today.
Under your spotlight.
My passionate love, so I am back for the final look and ito ang ating final look. So, pasensya na kayo about my hair. I'm not good at styling my hair. I just do whatever I wanted to, like I feel like doing. So, yeah, hindi ako magaling mag-style ng hair. So, I decided na straight ko na lang siya para wala masyadong keme. So, straight ko na lang siya. And plus, I think nasasawa na kayo na lagi ako naka-ponytail. So, as I said, ito ang ating final look. So, sana nagustuhan niyo siya. I hope that you really like it. And I hope that you are going to try this makeup look. I-rock niyo siya kung feeling nyo yung napaka-colorful rainbow makeup look, do it guys. No, don't doubt. Yeah, masaya siyang gawin. It's kinda like a little bit to challenge yung pag-blend, but it's part of any makeup look na i-rock nyo, whether it's some smoky eye, or colorful, or just simple ones. You still need to blend. So, huwag kayong ma-surprise na masyadong maraming blending. But this type of makeup look, maraming blending na normal. Go back and forth and look what's good and not. I'm so happy how it all turns out. It's been a while that I did like a very colorful makeup look, like also filming. It was really challenging. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, sana wag naman siya mag-fail kasi pinipilm ko siya and kailangan ko na siya i-edit before Tuesday kasi Tuesday ang deadline namin. So as I said, yeah, sana nagustuhan niyo siya. If nagustuhan siya, please give this video a thumbs up. That will definitely truly means a lot. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please do check out the other Pinay girls na kakulab ko sa LGBT Pride makeup look, colorful makeup look. So I know that they're gonna come up with something really beautiful and really creative as well. So ayun, so check out yung sila, and I'm going to leave all the links of all the Pinay girls na kakulab ko dito sa my description box. Comment kayo below kung anong gusto nyo next video na makita or make or something else. So ayun lang guys. So I wish you a lovely day, lovely evening, whichever part of the world you are, and always remember, be confident and stay grounded. Bye everyone!